I'm gonna lose my mind on Ford. Look, there's something about, also, quick sidestep here. There's something about tying your shoes. I think too many of us are just sliding our shoes, and I think we need to tie our shoes. None of this bullshit. I just got a call back finally after, what, 10 days? I don't know, it's been a while. 8 days? 10 days? I don't know. Ford called me back, as you guys know, check this video right here, that my ST was in the shop for 5 days. The service guy called me back and said, hey, got a call back from Ford, it's not good news, they're not going to cover your recall work. But the dealership claimed the warranty. They claimed the warranty, said they did the work, but in the notes, which means they did the work, but in the notes it says, we didn't complete all the work, they couldn't because of the calibration on the ST. So I said, okay, well, I'll take the calibration off and I'll bring it in. And it's just been a total, they called and said, they talked to Ford Corporate. Ford Corporate said, yeah, we're not going to cover it because after it's in the shop, initially, there's nothing more that they can do. So they're just not going to do anything. They're just going to basically tell me to eat, and that's that. So, yeah, ST, what is that? Dead animal. But yeah, so Ford is just telling me to eat taint, and we're not going to cover your warranty, even though we claim warranty. If I get rid of this car prematurely, it's because Ford's service sucks. It's like, it's never a good experience. I mean, for example, my wife, she has an Escape. She got the extended warranty package, and that covered all maintenance, it covered all kinds of things. We went in there the one day, and this is an individual, this is not like, I understand that each dealership doesn't represent Ford. In my case though, that they called Ford Corporate and they said they are not going to cover the warranty because it's already been in the shop. So whatever. Another example, and this is one of, I could write a book on them. We take the car in, oil changes are covered. We go in, he's like, hey, oil change is gonna be, you know, whatever, 60 bucks. I'm like, oh, it's actually covered under the warranty. He's like, no, it's not. I'm like, okay, type the VIN into your computer, look at the warranty attached to it. He's like, oh yeah, sorry about that, all good, cool. Call him, hey, it's all done, your total will be 68. Hey, remember earlier when we talked and I said that it's covered under the warranty? Oh yeah, we'll get that removed. I go in there to check out. Third time. Go to check out. All right, your total is 68.75. It's covered under warranty, so why am I still paying for these? Like, oh man, yeah. I'm like, what? Like, how is that person hired? How can you screw that up 3 times? If I did that in my job, I'd have been fired 3 times. Thermometer says 111 right now. Yeah, but to get the purge valve or whatever fixed, it's $340 out the door. That's with labor and everything. I'm like, what the hell? It pisses me off. Yo, check out that little Red Bull holder, right? And for the frickin' motorbike, for the dirt bike cans, that's pure. Let's get those caps lined up. Yes, actually, it'd be better if we had this one in the middle for aesthetic reasons. That's nice. Look at that setup. Also, a little update. In my previous video, you can check the card at the top of your screen. I was talking about how this month I'm trying to cover my YouTube expenses from last month with YouTube, OfferUp, merchandise sales, all that type of stuff. Quick update, I've made over $100 today. I sold my old rear motor mount, shipped it to a guy in Oregon, and I'm also about to sell a webcam. I found it in a drawer from my old job. I think it's a cam girl. I'll let you guys know. I'll link her in the description if she is. If any of you guys work at Ford dealerships in the Valley can help me out with this, let me know in the comments below. New cleaning supplies on deck. This brake buster, I've been told, is some of the best stuff out there, and it was only 20 bucks plus free shipping from this whole thing from Detailer's Image. I got this brush too. This is specifically for cleaning the rubber on the wheels, so scrubbing all that off, because brake buster is actually good for doing that as well. So I got that, and what else did I get? Oh yeah, P&S bead maker, paint protectant. So yeah, I got these two things I'll be trying out. I'm sure I'll do a video on them eventually or have them in one of my videos, so stay tuned. M2 looks amazing. Went a little over this curb here, but it sits so low that it doesn't actually matter. I need to like set something up, so I always pull in because I don't like having to scoot by this thing. Quick update here, my old Nikon 1J4 digital camera, currently negotiating a deal for $200, and the cam girl is sending her pimp to pick up the webcam. So lots of developments here, sales are happening, business is booming as usual. Gonna be rolling in it, folks. Deal number 2 closed of the day. We're up to $130 in revenue. Should have another $200 cam sale coming soon. I think what's happening to me today is a lesson that I've learned in sales as well. If you're in a sales position, you'll know that it could be dry for months and months and months. And then all of a sudden, boom, 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 you get big pops and have big months. I've had some of these items posted on OfferUp for months, and now today I'm selling 3 items. Just how it is. Stick with it. Love this little touch of Alcantara right here, and along the shift boot, and then along this shift boot number 2. Actually, maybe that's number 1. Too easy, folks. So if you've learned anything from this video today, it's look around your house for things that you just aren't using anymore that have value. You can't sell junk. I mean, I made over $300 today, but the reason for that is I have things of value. It's not like I'm some magic salesman. I have things that people need. So I'm not gonna push anything on you like some mastermind. I'm not. Sure, all of you have a niche that you know things about, and you have a lot of money just sitting around your house. So, I'm in a sick area in Mesa, Arizona right now, and I'm just gonna try to find a spot to pull over, take a look at the M2. So Mesa, Arizona, I haven't spent a lot of time here. It's beautiful. Look at all these big trees. Got the full moon in the distance there. Absolutely beautiful. But I guess as I'm driving around here just enjoying the evening, I was thinking to myself, I'm really happy I didn't settle for something other than this. This is the exact spec I wanted in the M2, the LCI, Long Beach Blue, manual transmission. There were a lot of times that there were cheaper options, but they weren't as in good of shape, or it wasn't the exact spec I wanted. And being in this now, I'm happy I waited. So if you're looking to buy a car, if you're looking at really anything, a computer, you don't quite have enough money, you need to save, I highly recommend you do the right thing, get the thing that is going to make you the happiest over time, because I look at this thing every time and I'm excited to drive it, I'm proud to be in it, I worked hard for it, and that's about it. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you're safe and healthy wherever you're at in the world. But yeah, if you've got things laying around the house, put them on OfferUp, eBay, Craigslist, whatever, sell it, make some money while we're sitting around, and I'll see you tomorrow.